Good morning, traders. In this video, I would like to recap the events of this week and discuss what to expect next. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software projected on 2-minute chart. As you could see, precise entry, stop and target. What's extremely important to notice, as you can see on this chart, trades played out on multiple other charts. When short reaches critical key reversal zone, nowhere to exit your trade, correct? And when long reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, nowhere to exit your trade, correct? This is precision in this brutal market conditions when you keep dealing with extremely limited trading range. So why in the world is market so much pain? Because bullish rally reached reversal zone and we're stuck in massive correction for the last 6 hours. This is a market 80+% of the time with powerful moves less than 20% of the time. So if I convert this chart to 5, to 10, to any minute chart you choose to trade, this is a market. This is what Alpha Fibonacci trader calls broker's heaven. Doesn't matter if you trade 5, 10, 15, any chart. This is massive corrections that's lasting in this market for many, many hours. This was stunning, breathtaking. Market closed, I traded this. And intelligent Alpha Fibonacci traders do not need hand holding. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci traders know this was the best place to be. So when price skyrocketed at US market close, you knew this far in advance. Let's go back a day before. Let's see the difference on February 8th. My goodness, look at this chart. This is where you're looking to buy. Correct? Again, this was 5, this was 10, this was 15. Market close. Breathtaking, spectacular, massive numbers of longs. No hand holding required. But if I take you to a day before, if I take you here, this is a place you're monitoring for short. But it took a while to crash through the support, correct? It's identical place where we are this morning, correct? So here we go. 7:25, February 8th. Job is on. You knew this well before it happened. Here is February 7th. My goodness, breathtaking. So if you trade predictive institutional Alpha Fibonacci system, you can do this across multiple instruments. You understand this morning we're dealing with a major problem. Market stuck in extremely narrow trading range. But you know everything in advance using your brilliant, magnificent brain. All the discussions in the live class next. So this is sell-off February 7th. Took a while to crash. Here we are today in exact same place. February 9th. But market not crashing. So please separate broker's heaven from spectacular markets. This remains for the last 6 hours. If price is not crashing through this support, intelligent trader enjoys practicing golf swing, walking the dog, building bonsai tree, playing with a cat or with babies, as our traders have it all. And mom with 2 little babies on her hands can trade Nasdaq. So can you. With the power of the software, you know this is a trading range. Crash is the only option. If no crash, it's a problem. Again, if I take you to daily chart, option traders' favorite chart, let's go back all the way to where bullish rally started from, which is what we will be discussing in today's class, where intelligent trader glued to the screen. Except the difference between yesterday's market close on 5-minute chart, this is institutional buy points. So when I leave for holiday vacation in December, we discuss with my traders, this is not the place to short. This is a place to buy from. December 19th. Pure magic. Trader glued to the screen. Sell-off reached critical key institutional buy point. You trading markets is strategic intelligent chess. Institutional buy point waiting with massive longs to be filled. Third week in December, bullish rally picking up this steam. This is day trader's dream when trader buys with institutions. 3800 is a critical key buy point. This morning we're nowhere near 3800 level. This morning on February 9th, bullish rally is stuck, but it's not selling off. Oh no. This is where intelligent trader takes a vacation as market moves one step at a time. So this been the post in the trading room since the end of December. Buy powerful bearish pullbacks because institutions buying the market, so do you. And when institutions not selling the market, you're extremely clear why. You're trading markets as intelligent, strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Without crash, nothing here to do. But it's exact same thing on every single instrument you trade. So here's one of the biggest jokes on Wall Street. Cassie Woods. 2022, her fund is down 80+%. Complete collapse on Tesla, and she keeps buying and buying and buying. Tesla on the way down. It's exact same thing. Let's go back on Tesla. As one of my favorite students who is trading Tesla is here this morning. As you can listen to Richard podcast and how he's trading Tesla. Absolute joy working with you. Absolute joy seeing how you protected your account against this crash. November 1st, 2021. Tesla setting up for crash. You're not buying Tesla at 400, you're smarter than Cassie Woods. Collapse on Tesla from 400 until catastrophic. She's buying and buying and buying Tesla on the way down with someone else's billions of dollars. You're using your brilliant, magnificent brain. You're not buying Tesla in 2022, you're shorting Tesla all the way down. But where did Tesla reverse from? My goodness, Richard and I discussed this reversal. That's the only thing you need to do. Sell the bottom and buy the top. Day trading not for everyone, but you can build consistent, spectacular wealth with Alpha Fibonacci System trading anything you choose. This will be war zone on Tesla, and you know this months in advance. The biggest crash of the century on Bitcoin. Look where Bitcoin is now, but my goodness, of course, you knew it far in advance. November 2021, we're discussing in class that Bitcoin is the biggest scam on the planet. I cannot more agree with Jimmy Dimon. This is the biggest joke as exact same people who providing security on Bitcoin keep stealing Bitcoin non-stop. And other news just came out last night. More and more catastrophic scams of Bitcoin. Short Bitcoin from 68. So it's not a single $8 billion fraud. There are trillion of dollars scammed in Bitcoin. My goodness. And more events keep coming in the news. So please use your brilliant, magnificent brain. Can you do that? Can you stop relying on hype? Do you remember Tom Brady Bitcoin Super Bowl commercial 2021? Where is Tom Brady now? Oh no, 70 million out. So I beg of you, if you're done trading on hype, if you're done trading on the news, use your brilliant brain. And when you do, the skies are the limit. You're shorting the top when rules are met. This is Warzone on Bitcoin right now. That's it. 12,000 is a lifeline on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the biggest scam. And we're discussing it all in classes. So when you decide to trade Bitcoin, you're getting in and out of Bitcoin. You day trading Bitcoin. Because when my phone rings off the hook and people losing so much money on Bitcoin, it breaks my heart when they keep listening. Because Cassie Wood said it's heading to 500. Have you seen his hype? Buy, 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 buy Bitcoin. Oh my goodness, he can afford to lose 6 billion in one day. The biggest catastrophic loss. But do you know how many tragic stories because people been buying Bitcoin because of all of this noise? So I beg of you, use your brilliant brain. That's the only safe haven. And when you do, the sky's as a limit. S&P remains stuck. It's doing nothing this morning. No one in their clear mind selling S&P if this green line remains intact. So this morning we're off to the live class. I hope you're joining us soon. And when you do come to the website, please go straight into students' performance. As I just received another email from a trader I will be meeting in Florida. One of my other favorite students who brought his other student to the course. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. If Carlton can do this trading part-time, so can you. But every trader trades different instrument. Every trader trades different account. And when can day trades Bitcoin? Of course you can. You're not holding Bitcoin till 500. You are using your brilliant, intelligent brain. Every trader different account. I can't wait to get the update from you, Richard. This means the world. Breathtaking, stunning, flawless work. Again and again and again. Every trader different account. Every trader different background. So please, use your brilliant brain. Good morning, Ron. Absolutely your choice what you will decide to trade. So when students in US and more than 50 countries trading it all, so can you. The only thing you have to do is use your brilliant brain and apply Alpha Fibonacci rules. But it all starts from knowing how to trade brutal, nasty markets, knowing how to deal with institutional trading holds. Correct? So if you're done speculating, if you're done chasing indicators and losing money, I look forward working with you. Listen to Students Podcast, you will find trader just like you, trader who's been struggling all your life for many, many years. Because if complete beginner traders can trade this, so can you. Listen how father and his son trading different instruments. This is an honor. One father who is managing multi-million-dollar retirement account, bringing his 14-year-old son who is trading futures, it's an honor. Listen to Carlton. Listen to Pablo, complete beginner trader. That's it. And view emails I receive. More and more updates it. Here's Richard's screenshot. Spectacular, breathtaking performance. But again and again and again. When Brad quitting, Best Buy and supporting family of 5. So can you. CEO is here this morning, 2 o'clock in the morning in Australia. Amazing to see you. Would love to see your latest update as you are inspiring others, because if Theo can do $17.81 for every dollar with 86% trading in the middle of the night in Australia, so can you. Simply obey the rules and the sky's the limit. Choose from option appropriate for you. All on the homepage. Private mentoring. I have a couple of students graduating. This is ultimate option, savings $8,000. Private mentoring includes it all: group classes, video library, trading room. If you cannot come to group classes, you don't have to. There are 350 videos plus in the member area. You can watch 24/7. Second option, another most desirable option. Second and fourth option include software for NinjaTrader 8. But again, software came out in 2019. System traded globally since 2011 across all platforms, all time frames, all instruments. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. As again and again and again, your success starts from ultimate simplicity and knowing when institutions holding longs. This create the most challenging market conditions, and I'm afraid these are here to stay. So please understand how you adjust to market conditions will define your ultimate success. There is no crash. Institutional holds are on. So please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions for me. Here's the email, here's the phone number in front of you. I live and breathe what I do. Thank you, traders, so much for this week, for this morning. Let's take a break. After the break, we're off to the last class, live class. Thank you, Richard, so much. Means the world. Pick the private mentoring. Thank you.